Hello, welcome. This is a quick video on how to navigate through this website. As you can see, this is a screen showing the main page, the home page, and it's got just a little welcome, a couple of pictures, and some basic information about our firm. But then here's the menu, first for free data, and then some information about us. So if you'd like to know more about us, you just click on About Us. It'll take you to basically our website for the company. Then the main page is free data. Bring you to this site where we have free data. And because I'm from Atlanta, we also have some links for Georgia only. 4 websites where you can get Atlanta zoning maps, Georgia zoning maps, Georgia flood maps, and Georgia traffic counts. Back to the free data. All you would need to do is click on the link of what you're looking for, and it will take you to that site. If you're interested in demolition cost, it'll take you to this site called Building Journal, where you can put in information and determine demolition costs for a piece of property. And that's it. Thank you very much. There are additional videos that I will create that will discuss the links for these different pages. Thank you very much.